Hi, Cassie and Erica. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to go over the check run approval. Just do a quick recap. Last time when we spoke last week, you wanted to take out one step, right? So how it was set up last week was one person proposed the payments, another person approves the payments, and then another person pays the bills, right? And then another person also does the check run to print. And Cassie said she wanted to take out one step. She just wanted one person to propose it and the other person to pay the bills, and she wanted to be the one that pays the bills. So, due to that, I had to uninstall the other bundle because I had a running script. I had to delete the script, delete all the fields, and then essentially create a new safe search and add a new field and call it propose for payment. And so the process is very similar to what it was before. We have the dashboard here, and we essentially just have to go in and choose which ones we want to approve. And so these are currently set to default to empty. And then once they're clicked and this checkbox is not filled in, it'll come off as no. But if we actually check it, it'll be checkbox yes. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. So it's going to be there. You hit open here. And let's make a point of seeing that it is the Sun Nova from April 20th. So what we would do from here is we would go down to the transactions, sales, transactions, payables, paid vendor invoices. Open that up. You see the payment in there. What we're going to do is we added in this filter by hitting this customize tab. Right. Open this up. We went down to additional filters and we found the proposed payment field that we entered. And essentially how it works is that it's going to filter by all the proposed payments. And the ones that have been proposed, we can hit yes. We can hit yes here. And then from there, we just find the Sun Nova, right? And so this is the one, the Sun Nova from April 20th that we just submitted. And when you're ready, you can just essentially pick all the ones that you're ready to do. It will compute, the total will compute. Once we fill out all these fields, the total will compute. The amount will fill out in here. And please let me know if this fits your requirements. We can get this updated to not require these or whatever your preference is. Thank you.